Welcome to Netiquette Next and welcome back to the series of Pinterest. And in the previous video I have shown you how to make an account with Pinterest and you can see a lot of pins and pictures however you want. You can choose your categories, you can comment, you can save, you can download a lot of pictures however you want. In this video I will be showing you how to create pin and how to create idea pin. So first one, I'm going with this one. Here it is asking me, so I have choose create new. It is asking me to upload a picture, so I'm gonna upload this one. We can write its title, its description, its detail. We can add link, we can choose a board, and we can put some tags on it. The more options, we can allow people to comment and show shopping recommendation. It was just to show you, so I'm not gonna write any of it, but you can write however you want to your pins. So I'm gonna publish it. It's gonna look like this. Here it is working right now. So it is in the form of a gift, in the form of video. So I have uploaded this picture and it's gonna look like this. From this point we can send, and from this point we can replay this. The second one was to create a pin. That was the pin idea, and this was just a simple pin. It was asking me to upload photos, so I have choose this one at this time also. Likewise, we can add a title and description and all text here, and we can add a destination link also here. That was for today. In the next video we will be showing you much more amazing thing. Right here you can duplicate it as well and delete it as well. From this point you can have new one. You can choose new one, upload new photo on it. That was for today. Please keep liking, watching and subscribing our channel. Thank you and be blessed.